Inflammation is more than just pain or discomfort. It's a silent enemy that can lead to serious health problems if left unchecked. Today, I'll show you how to make a natural anti inflammatory shot that helps your body fight inflammation effectively. And as a bonus, it also boosts your immune system. Ginger, turmeric, lemon, these powerful ingredients are not only simple to find, but also incredibly beneficial. The best part? It takes just a few minutes to make. Let's dive into how this shot works and why it's so effective. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory agents. Its key active compound, curcumin, reduces inflammation, eases joint pain, and improves overall health. For better absorption of curcumin, we add a pinch of black pepper, which amplifies its effectiveness by up to 20 times. Ginger acts as a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent. It contains compounds called gingerols, which help reduce inflammation and muscle pain. Ginger also stimulates blood circulation, helping your body recover faster and feel more energized. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, essential for a strong immune system. It also aids tissue repair and stimulates collagen production, which is great for healthy skin and joints. Black pepper isn't just a spice, it's a crucial enhancer. Its compound, piperine, boosts the absorption of nutrients like curcumin, makes this shot much more effective. And finally, honey. While optional, it softens the sharp taste of the shot and adds antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits to the mix. Each of these ingredients is powerful on its own, but together they create a health-boosting drink that's as effective as it's easy to make. Let's put them all together and make this amazing anti-inflammatory shot. Cheers!